Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an iPhone 12 Pro unboxing video. So I'm super stoked to be unboxing this iPhone with you guys. I hope that you enjoy this video, and let's get started on with the video. Okay, so this is the box that I received, and I'm gonna use and try not to cut myself with this X-Acto knife right here. So I'm just gonna open it real quick and see what we have inside. I'm gonna walk you through pretty much everything that is in here, and also some other little accessories that I really want to show you guys. So I'm gonna fold this over and try to open these little wings. This feels like a puzzle, to be honest. But it has this little clear container thing, not container, but you know what I mean. But we're gonna grab the box itself. We're gonna put this to the side, and here is the box itself. So I personally feel like the box just looks very small. Like it's like thinner. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I really like this. It's super cool. I love just Apple designs overall. So I'm gonna open this real quick. I believe it's just like a little sticker thing that we can just slide open. The box is black. I wonder if that's kind of like the standard for most of the cases, or maybe possibly it could just be that I picked the gray iPhone. But we're gonna open it now. Okay, so wow, this looks white to me. Okay, so I originally thought that I would get a more of a gray color. So in terms of picking the color, I did pick a gray color, so there's nothing in here, so I'm gonna put this aside. So this is kind of like the overall look. I'm gonna take it out. It looks more white to me than gray, but that might just be the fact that there's a lot of lights, like studio lights near me. You can tell the detailing on the sides. And if you guys have heard, the new phone, as you can see, has this shape around it, which is more like rectangular kind of shape, so that's what it looks like. But I'm gonna put this aside and just go through what's in here for now. Okay, so in this box I have some, I think this is the charger, the standard just charger that connects to the little box, but I'll also be unpacking some other things with you guys soon. But aside from this, we also have these little designed by Apple in California. I think these are the stickers. Okay, so it seems like it's like a little sticker as usual. They always like to pack these in there. I believe this is to change the SIM card. So I'm just gonna put these back and we're gonna take a look at the phone itself. This, I'm going to take it out. It's the very satisfying part of this video. But we're just gonna slide it open. I guess it has these little icons here to just kind of like emphasize on the buttons and stuff, but we're gonna take it out. I feel like usually it's like a clear one, but right now we're doing the white paper on top of it. That's what it looks like right now. So it's a very nice look. I really like it. I like how this right here has kind of like a mirror image. So, and aside from that, it only has that on the sides versus like here it's like more of just like, I believe this is glass if I'm not incorrect. So I'm gonna press this and see what it looks like. Just gonna hold it for a little bit and until the Apple logo shows up, and it should be turning on. Hello. Okay, so I'm so excited to set this up for you guys eventually and show you in a full-on video what's in my iPhone 12 Pro. So that video will definitely be coming, but this is kind of just the overall unboxing that I really wanted to do for you guys. It's a very beautiful phone. I really like it, and this feature of like the sides, the square size, really just reminds me of the older first phones. Like I believe my iPhone 4S had kind of this shape if I remember correctly. But yeah, I really like it. I feel like it's super pretty. And now I want to show you guys some other packages as well. So I forgot which one is which, so we're just gonna see which one is which and try it on together on the phone. So these are basically accessories. So as you can tell right here, this is the iPhone 12 Pro clear case, MagSafe. And we're gonna open it real quick and just get a first look at what this looks like. I like overall, I really love and appreciate the simple design that Apple has for all their stuff. It's just really nice. This is a simple thing, it's just the clear case, but I thought I would show you guys also just putting it on the phone and everything. It feels kind of weird to feel this case and how the edges look, well, how the edges feel like this because I'm so used to like the rounded part. This kind of feels like a paper type of material right here. We're gonna put it on the phone in a little bit, but I do want to show you guys what the wireless charger looks like, so we're gonna put this aside for a little bit. Okay, next, this should be the charger since we just opened the iPhone case. So I actually didn't know that Apple had wireless chargers for a while. I've just been using like other ones from like other stores, but this is what the MagSafe charger looks like. I really like the packaging again. Big fan. But we're gonna open it the same way. So we're just gonna slide this over and we're just gonna open it fully. This is a very small little nice box, but this is what it looks like. As you can tell, it has a little sliding thing that Apple really likes to do with their packaging, and it has the full little charger, and we're gonna actually take it out of this. So we're gonna take it out to put it and try to charge it and just get that full experience. This is what it looks like. It feels really nice. It's super small actually, which makes sense because it's for specifically the back of the phone. So the phone is on, so it might light up, but we're just gonna fit in this. Oh, I think it knows what we're doing. I think it knows. So we're just gonna slide it here in the best of my abilities right now. That's what it is. Oh, that's what it looks like. So this is really satisfying to just see the fact that the circle is right there, like fitting into the case. Okay, so this is connected, and this is kind of like a magnetic. I believe that it just attaches to the back of your phone. I'm gonna just connect it through the front just so you guys can see what it is, what it lights up on the screen. So it does this, and it should show up as whatever percentage it is charged. So I really like that little icon. I feel like that's really nice interface, little icon. So I really like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I am so excited about the new phone and all the little gadgets and accessories that I got. So I hope that you enjoy this video. If you are interested in new and more iPhone videos, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time with another video. Bye guys.